38505 Woodward Avenue, Bloomfield Hills, Michigan. Take a look at this. There is a second elevator. I had a feeling that there was as I was recording the other video, so I walked over to the back, and sure enough, there was. The front is back over there, but walked back here, found this little area. There's even a HID multi-class card reader here too. But for this video, our focus is the elevator. So let's take a ride. Take a look at this. Beautiful elevator. Now the question is the inside of it original? It is original. And the reason why I'm asking that, guys, is I have had bad luck with the Lexan elevators before. The call stations are original, but the COP isn't. With that being said, let's take a ride on this thing. Beautiful classic leveling. And the door close button works as well. Three is locked, unfortunately. Finger slipped on that. All right, let's start up the motor. Oh, I missed the classic leveling again. We're gonna end the video out here, but I want you guys to see something. Watch this. Watch the button after the door closes. It's lit up, as you can see. And once it gets down to 1, it turns off. So I thought that was kind of interesting to show you guys. But yeah, awesome elevator. That'll be it.